Welcome to the installation video of the LQX-A lightning protection box. Open the package and take out the lightning protection box. First, remove the panel. First, check if the product is intact and then perform an on-off test to ensure the equipment functions properly. Connect one pair of positive and negative cables to each of the two upper terminals and attach them to the circuit breaker. Follow the previous steps to connect the positive and negative wires, and run the ground wire into the black opening on the right. Next, put on the cover and fasten the screws.